Hello everyone, again. Okay, I didn't even get a chance to close down everything. My husband just walked in the door and let me know that the ice cream beauty box is in. So right now we're going to jump into this one. Okay, we just did the beauty bag. If you didn't see it, make sure you go and check it out. Right now what we're going to do is open our March ice cream beauty box. Okay, for those of you who are not familiar with it, as I'm talking to you, I'm opening it. But for those of you who are not familiar with the ice cream beauty box, this is the big sister of the first one that I showed you. Okay, we've been getting this one for a while on this channel. So I did have a little bit of a challenge last month with an item when we unboxed it. You saw. So let's see what happened. They did notify me and let me know that they would include it in with this box. Okay, but nonetheless, okay, so as I stated, we do have the March box. So I did open it so that I could show you a little bit of what's inside, and we do have our description card. We don't have very many of these anymore. Okay, so let's just jump in. I'll leave all the details down below if you'd like to try this out for yourself. Okay, so it says make your own luck. All right, and we're going to check it out and see what is inside. Okay, and this is our first item. It's by Face, and this is Bliss Velvet Dream Stick. And it says this is a densely pigmented lipstick formula that not only gives unbeatable color payoff that lasts, but also leaves your lips comfortable and hydrated. Okay, it says the manufacturer's suggested retail price on this one is $12. Now this says it's a 0.05 fluid ounce size, and they're calling it the Velvet Dream Stick. And of course, this is what the outer packaging looks like. This is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, and it says created by and made for dream makers. Okay, and the shade that I have, of course, it says it's Bliss. I'm trying to check and see if we have an expiration date on here. It says it is a cruelty-free product. It is a vegan product, and it has, I believe that says, a 12-month shelf life. Now, I'll show you what it looks like, but oh my Lord, we swatch at the end of every video, okay? Look at this shade. That is gorgeous. It is called Bliss. Love, love, love that shade. Okay, I'm looking forward to swatching that one. Okay, so that one is item number 1. Then the next item we have is by OFRA Cosmetics. It's in a plastic bag, so we know it was carefully shipped. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It says this is Unit, and this is a blusher by OFRA Cosmetics, and it says a pinky peach rose blush and medium warm bronzer all in one. Get it? Blusher. Okay, and it says every cheek is a better half with this liquid to baked formula that glides on and melts into the skin. With a split pan bronzer and blush, this blusher adds dimension and warmth in one swipe. From a natural healthy flush to an intense pop of color, build your cheek color for all day wear with a flawless and smooth finish. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $29, and this one has an 18-month shelf life. I'm definitely opening this one because I don't have anything like that. Look at the shades. That's beautiful. Okay, Yay, OFRA. All right. And it does let us know how to apply it. I'm very interested to see how this one works out. Okay, so let's keep moving. The next item that we have is by Ziza Cosmetics. Okay, and it's this one right here. Okay, and it says this one is redness correcting primer. Nice. Okay, it says do not worry about the green shade. The green color will help counteract any redness on the skin. Once you blend the primer out, the green color will fade away. And then apply foundation on top. Okay, manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $22. The expiration date on this one is September the 8th, 2026, and it is a 30-gram size, okay? This is what the outer packaging looks like, okay? And this is what the inside packaging looks like. Very nice, very chic, okay? Multi-effect makeup primer is what this is calling it. Okay, very nice, very, very nice. Okay, so we'll be checking this out soon as well. This one is item number 3. Then the next item that we have is by the company BEAU BABE Beauty, and it's this right here. Boy, this packaging is beautiful, whatever it is. Okay, I can't wait to see what's inside. It says this is the Gold Opal Iridescent Highlighter, and it says this is a cream highlight with a dropper, but the formula is thick, so we highly recommend using a brush instead of the dropper, as it makes it easier to pick up. The color is absolutely stunning. It has a beautiful yet light shift from white to gold. You can build this to make it more intense or blend it out for a subtle golden glow. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $35. This one is a cruelty-free product. It has a 12-month shelf life, and let's see, it is a 7-ounce size. Let's open this. I really want to see what this looks like. Okay, this is beautiful. It almost looks like one of those ink holders. That's kind of what it looks like right there. But you can truly see the iridescent shade that's inside. Okay, let me see, what was this shelf life again? 18 months? No, it's a 12-month shelf life. And this is called Gold Opal. Well, I really do want to look and check it out for myself. We'll see. We'll see in a little while about opening this. Okay, so that is item number 4. We're down to the last one in here. We are down to yes, we're down to the last item for this month. There is something else in there, but we'll talk about that in just a minute. Okay, this is the End of the Rainbow Palette by Ladybug Glow and Ice Cream Beauty. Okay, let's take it out the plastic. This is what the outer packaging looks like. And it says, we're so honored to have Ladybug Glow Cosmetics in our box for the first time ever. This is a collaboration palette and a great introduction to their amazing formula. This palette contains 2 duochromes, 1 microchrome, and 6 mattes. The duochromes are stunning, shimmery, shifty, and everything you could ever ask for from a duochrome. The mattes are so pigmented and easy to work with. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $30. This one has a 24-month shelf life and is cruelty-free. Okay, let's just open it. We know that the inside and the outside looks exactly the same. Okay, so let's just see. This is so beautiful. Okay, and It does have a mirror, so I'm going to cover the mirror and show you the shades. How about that? That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so we're at the end. So what does that mean? We get to swatch. Okay, so let's just start right here. Since we have the palette in our hand, let's just swatch. So we have 9 shades. Okay, so we swatched, y'all. Okay, so let's just talk about these swatches for a minute. Okay, we're going to start from my right to left. Okay, the top 3 are the eyeshadow palettes. The first one is Dreamy, the second one is Mesmerizing, and the third one is Possible. So we have the 2 duochromes and then the matte. Right next to the matte is that beautiful lippy. Okay, oh, this is beautiful. It went on nice and creamy and it's matte. Look at that. Then we swatched right here at the wrist. This is this beauty right here, okay? This is our Gold Opal Liquid Highlight Drop, okay? I just put a dab on it and I used the brush to kind of blend it out. Gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then this OFRA blusher. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Let me tell you something. This right here is a look for real. For real. This was gorgeous. Let me know what you think, okay? I'm not going to prolong anything. I'm just going to tell you I loved everything in this box. Now, I did tell you that there was one other thing that was in here. Well, if you remember last month when we did our unboxing of the Ice Cream Beauty box, my palette was cracked. Actually, it was shattered, okay? Beautiful, but it was shattered. So I opened this one to show you what it actually looks like. Let me cover the mirror so you can actually see it all because I couldn't stand it up last month. This is the one that was shattered, but everything is beautiful. Look at that, okay? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know how you feel about the items that you received, if you are a subscriber to this. If not, let me know your thoughts about what we received and opened this month, in the month of March, from our Ice Cream Beauty box. Please let me know your thoughts. I'm actually very stunned, especially with this highlight. This thing is gorgeous. Okay, and it's not even coming off on my hands. Not at all. It's beautiful. Beautiful. This BEAU BABE Beauty, I'm loving this. Nonetheless, okay, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And I want to tell you, thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our March Ice Cream Beauty box. Yes, yes, and yes. $25, well worth it, okay? If you would like to go ahead and try it out for yourself, all the information is down below, okay? These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. Make sure you share this video with someone who you may think might love it, even if they don't want to subscribe. Show them what they're missing out on, okay? Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.